layer.
All
the
right,
bottom.
that's not bad.
Do we just leave it and call that the second coat too, or
You
do we like
can.
thin it out?
Honestly, it is up to you. If you're like happy with this can be the final coat. Like I would not have a problem with it. It's like 10 o'clock. Like there's still other stuff we're gonna do, you know? So what I like to do is, like, if you want to try smoothing it out, first of all, if you see any areas that'll look naked, you're good. You don't have any
Got a
naked
couple at
looking
the top,
spots.
like the very top edges. I think need a little more.
That's going to be the tough part because it's like on a slope. But the trick is just slap a ton on and take it off as you like. Or don't take it off. Have a thick heckin' coat if you like. You know, there's no wrong answers here. There is no wrong answers. Thank you very much to our moderator. The intrusive thought of taking a big chomp out of these guys. Oh my god. Yo. Look. There are worse things. There's 2 of them, so I wouldn't feel as bad. That's such a funny thought. Good night, Platinum Paradise. You've gotten to see so much more of this stream than typical. You have made it, you've seen fully frosted boys. This doesn't typically happen. You're usually long gone by this point. So I'm glad. I'm looking for, I thought I had a huge spatula, but maybe not. Spatula? I really thought I had one. Because that would be really useful for me right now. But maybe not? Huh. Not that I can find. Okay. Huh. Very greedy, made off with another one of my kitchen utensils. I shouldn't even be surprised. Very greedy, I'm not even going to ask for it back. I'm just going to ask for a refund. That's it. I cannot believe how much shorter mine is. That is so funny.
I didn't think it would be that impactful, but like with yours being shorter and mine being taller.
The short, yeah, you're right. Mine being shorter, yours being taller, and having one extra layer of icing on yours also.
Yes, yeah, the extra layer of icing.
Like, fascinating. Oh my gosh. Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So, in terms of smoothing out, I was hoping to find my nice big spatula, but I could not. So you gotta use yours. So, the first trick is clean it off. You know, actually grab some paper towel. Or, even
clean
better.
it off.
Yeah, like really, we're gonna grab me one too. We're gonna clean these bad boys off completely. That helps a whole lot. Thank you very much. Start with a bit of a clean slate, as it were. Now, like, if you want a really, really, like, nice, smooth coat, you can run these under warm water.
Oh.
And it'll, like, warm up your icing just enough that you get, like, I don't even know how to describe it. You just get that smoothness. So, the important thing is holding your knife consistently as you move. And you could do it whichever direction you want. And the more icing you have on there, the better. You can sort of see I'm actually struggling because I don't have a ton. But basically, just hold it in one place on one part and slowly work your way down or up or whichever direction it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're like, I really want it smooth, we can run it under the warm water. We can absolutely do that.
I am not a perfectionist.
Excellent. I love that. Hell yeah. That's great. Ooh, good to know about the warm water trick. Yeah, the warm water trick is great. I love the difference that makes. What? I can be such a perfectionist about this. That's already looking great. And you could keep, if you want, you can keep using your paper towel to clean it off. If you want like a really nice, clean spatula. And yes, scrape it off and just scrape every so often, basically. It is very difficult to get a cake perfectly smooth. I follow a bunch of bakers on Instagram, and they talk about spending like an hour
Ugh.
Yeah, I know. I know. And then the hilarious part is they work so hard and then they cover it all up with these other beautiful designs.
Oh yeah.
And like, what was this all for? Why did we do this then? We didn't have to do this. That was not necessary. Oh, it's so funny. And like their designs are gorgeous, but like you wouldn't be able to see whether or not the cake was, clean after. That's perfectly acceptable. It makes the outside look cleaner, but like you don't have to. You don't have to. Also, like, I'm sure like, again, the more icing you have on here, the easier it is. So it's like this fun process of constantly adding and